impacts are expected, plan on hazardous road conditions impacting the morning commute. Lingering snow showers could maintain slick patches on roads for the afternoon commute as well. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for Illinois can be obtained on the internet at www.gettingaroundillinois.com.
Ooh, double.
Here is a winter weather bulletin for the following county: Vigo, Indiana. Winter storm warning in effect from 1 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Portions of central Indiana. When? From 1 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for Indiana can be obtained by calling 1-800-261-7623. And now a discussion of hazardous weather conditions for the